friends, thank you so much for joining me this week. I'm super excited to share with you how I do my meal prep and my meal planning. So I've been doing it every Sunday until recently. I've decided I think it works better to do it every Monday because Sundays are a little hectic. You kind of want to spend time with your family. And I thought, you know what, it's the beginning of the week anyway, so Monday would work just fine. So I'm going to take you along on how I do my shopping, how I do my meal prepping, and what goes into it, and how we try and keep a healthy lifestyle in our home. One other thing is that, I'm not a girl who diets. I really do not believe in dieting. I actually believe in making, a lifetime adjustment to your health, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you're losing weight. But then if you just make sure that you have a complete healthy overview of your life for you and your family, it's easier to maintain healthy weight or skin or lifestyle. Even then, you have to literally start by changing your routine and changing your habits as well. Let's get right into the video. I always start with planning, literally sitting down and jotting down the ideas that I have for the meals for the week. And then I also do some research to see, what are the nutritional values and what is it that we're trying to get. So currently it's winter this side, so I'm looking for warm, cozy, hearty meals that will help us combat any diseases that might any respiratory diseases that we might be prone to during this winter time. My other favorite tools is Blue Apron. It is so easy to use. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but it's one of my favorite tools where you can get either family meals or meals for two that are easy to prepare and that are worldwide inspired. So it's actually quite easy. Just go on their website or go on their Instagram page, and you can also sign up on their website to receive emails from them with the recipes and ingredients as well. It's actually quite cool how the website is so easy for you. You get to see step by step all the ingredients you need to use, the kitchen tools you need to use, and how the meals are supposed to look like as you're preparing. It's actually quite exciting. So yeah, check them out. As I was telling you earlier on in my 250 healthy recipes, the book tells you what are the health counsels, what are the healthy benefits, what is it that you get out of each recipe, and if you're struggling with a certain disease, why should you eat this? And then as you go along, it will tell you, so for example, if you're going through chemotherapy, what meals to eat if you have any respiratory ailments, or if you're fighting an infection, it will tell you what to eat, what are recommended foods to eat. This is one of the best things that I have found online. And if you're interested in getting this book, you should actually just leave me a comment below, and then I'll try and hook you up with a book like that as well. It was a gift for me, but I know a couple of guys from my church that sell this. I think the most important thing, I actually believe the most important way of worship for me is to take care of my body, which is the temple of God, and that is through what I eat. And for me to perform even better in response to how God created me and what He wants for me, I believe it is also aligned in how I eat and how I take care of my body. So yeah, it's also just one way of ministering, and I believe that it's very important to do that for our families, to make sure that we're intentional in what we serve and what we put on the table. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me on my shopping trip. If you love the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit me up on my social media. I'm going to leave the handle right here, and you can get hold of me there. I'm there every single day. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.